Hi there! In this episode, I'll be sharing an idea on how to get value from upcycling old newspapers. You can upcycle for personal use or as a business. To be an upcycler of old newspapers, simply sell them to art shops, where it can be used for paper mache. You can also learn how to make paper at home, DIY paper making. Then use these old newspapers to make recycled paper for personal use or sell them to people who might be interested. Another way to upcycle old newspaper is to cut it manually or using a shredder into strips. You can then package and sell these strips to small online business owners who use shredded stuffings in their packaging. This upcycling idea can work with other types of old paper-based materials like old books and the likes. Just get creative with it. A twist to this would also be to include using these upcycled newspaper products in your current business or start a business where the key materials for your goods and services are based on these upcycled products. You could also open up an art shop where people, adults and kids, pay a fee to come have fun, hang out and make stuff out of paper mache or make their own paper. That's it for this episode. See you in the next one.